In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Spotify profile picture. Now, first of all, you want to go to spotify.com and that will take you to this website right here. Now, before I show you exactly how you can do this, I want you to know that you cannot do this on your mobile device or on a tablet. So you must do this on your computer. So go to spotify.com and then right there, you want to click on account, which is right there, profile and then account. And then as you can see right there, you cannot change your profile picture on this page. So what you want to do, you want to click right there on download. And once you do that, it will actually download the Spotify app. So you need the Spotify app in order to do this. And then once you got that installed, you can actually sign into your account. So right now I'm inside the Spotify app. You can then click on your profile right there. And then next up, you can actually click right there on this icon, which in English means change. And then as you can see right there, you can actually select a file. So I'm just going to select a random file right now. Let me just go with this one, just to show you guys that this is exactly how you can actually change your profile picture. And there you go. That's exactly how you can change your Spotify profile picture in 2020 and beyond. As of right now, there's no other way to do this. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.